Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix disabled Instagram ad account. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Next is you need to click these three lines at the top right corner. Tap this one and it will take you to your settings and activity. What you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and you need to look for the help option. So continue scrolling down till you see that one. So under more info and support, you have to click this help option. Now you will see other options, but you have to click the support request. Tap on support request. And then after that, you need to scroll down and tap on violations. Now, if you have violated any of their guidelines, and if you believe that your account was disabled by mistake, you can easily appeal directly from the account quality page. So what you're going to do here is you will see that request review or appeal next to the violation if you have committed any violation here. And then after that, you need to provide any necessary information or clarification. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit your appeal and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this problem. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.